Okay, 81, they want to solve the systems of equations, so let's do A first. Let's use substitution, right? Because I have this solved for y, so I'll just substitute that in for y right there. So I have 6x minus 2 times y, but I'm going to substitute in 3x minus 2 equals 10. So now we distribute 6x minus 6x plus 4, right? Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4 equals 10. Then I have 4 equals 10, right? And I ask myself, when does 4 equal 10? Never, so there's no solution to the first system of equations. So now let's do B, right? So let's do B. So I'm going to write both B in standard form. So the first equation, look, I could divide both sides by 3, right? So I get x minus 3y equals 1, right? I might as well simplify if you can. The second equation, I'm just going to rearrange into standard form. So 2x, and then I'll add y to both sides, plus y equals 16. So there's my system. And I will now multiply the bottom equation by 3. I'll use elimination and I'll cancel out my y's. So I have x minus 3y equals 1. And then this one I'm going to multiply by 3. So I get 6x plus 3y equals 48. Again, lots of ways to solve. I just chose elimination. So now I add 6x and x is 7x equals 49. So x equals 7. And now, I don't know, I'll take this equation, right? And I get 7 minus 3y equals 1. Negative 3y equals, subtract 7 is negative 6. Y equals 2. So I get 7, 2, the ordered pair.